Want more privacy when browsing online? A VPN can help protect your connection, but only if it's set up correctly. In today's video, I'll show you how to use a VPN on both your iPhone and your Android phone. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. Go to your App Store, tap on the search icon and search for VPN. Here you have a list of VPNs that you can choose from. Most of the popular VPNs come with a free plan, but you may be limited to certain countries that you can VPN to. For me, I use Proton VPN, but do find one that you feel comfortable with. Once you have downloaded the VPN, open the app and sign up for the service. Then tap on Connect and the app will connect you to the free VPNs available worldwide. If you swipe down from the top of the phone, you can see the icon VPN here that indicates you are currently connected via VPN. To turn this off, simply go back to the app and tap on Disconnect. For your Android phone, similarly, you can go to your Google Play Store and search for VPN. Alternatively, if you have the details and settings for private VPN, you can enter them directly on your Android phone. Go to your settings, tap on Connections, tap on More Connection Settings, tap on VPN, tap on the plus icon on the top right. Enter the information here for your private VPN server, and once you are done, tap on Save at the bottom. There you go. If this video helped you in any way, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. And before you go, check out these other two videos here to see if they help you in your daily life. Until the next video, I'm Steph. Take care and bye-bye.